So this is your typical unpermitted patio room. So these were put in quite often back in the 80s and 90s without a permit. And how do we know? Because the slab never got updated. The slab that was designed out here was built for a open patio like that without a lot of weight. But when you add all these walls, windows, electrical lines, all this weight adds a lot more to this slab, and the slab wasn't designed to carry this load. So it's usually not permitted, but people will build it anyway. And it wasn't a very thought out design because we've got all this grass right next to the house, and that's the only green grass we have is right next to the home. So this is definitely getting some moisture. Roof runoff is falling right here back to the house. Then on the inside of the room, you can tell this thing is slanted, not just a little bit, but quite a bit. And back here in the corner, we're actually seeing some moisture damage on this floor. You can see some of the wood composite flooring that's been moisture damaged is warping now. So we've got some lips to it, some moving around. It's excessive moisture. So what this is going to do is it's going to bring in termites. It's going to cause damage to the flooring in this area all along this wall. Unless you keep that grass away, you need to keep a couple feet distance from this wood siding, which is likely delaminated a little bit on the bottom here, just because all the moisture pushing up inside of it. Then the moisture getting pushed inside the patio room here is causing all this damage. So big no-no. You got to watch out for these rooms because they're not permitted. And if you try and do any work to it to update it and want to get it permitted, you're going to have to bring everything back up to code. It's not that it looks real bad, it's just that the design was not really put together very well. Well, you can see this area was designed to be an open patio, but they decided to close it off. So we've got a little bit of waviness on the top there, because once this slab starts settling down, all these wood columns holding the patio up are going to sink down as well too. So we've got a little bit drooping down here. We've got all this irrigation right here. Just get rid of that grass. If you're going to have grass, you should have it out here, not over there, not around your foundation.